Brett Deitering, owner of Advanced Excavating and Demolition. We are located in Northwest Ohio, just outside of Findlay. Been in business for going on 5 years now, full-time. It's been a heck of a ride. The site that we're on today, we're actually on a 39-unit subdivision with a 4-acre retention pond. We've got 2 Komatsu 400 haul trucks out here on site moving the dirt. We do have a D71 intelligent machine dozer, as well as a D51 dozer controlling all of our push-offs. The reason we, kind of started veering towards the Komatsu was we needed that good reliability for our customer base. We're kind of a safety and production-driven company. We like to get in, get out, get the job done as most efficient as we can. And so far, we haven't had any issues out of these Komatsus, and they seem to go well with our model that we're trying to produce our work with. Operators love them. All the controls, functions, everything about them. Haven't had any complaints, and they say they're like driving Cadillacs. So that's what we like to hear. We also have a Takeuchi 2150 excavator. We had a little bit smaller one earlier this year on rent. The guys loved it. So we have this 2150 right now, and it proves to be just about as good of a machine as a standard 210 size excavator. It'll put pipe in the ground and put stone in just like anything else, and does a really good job. The guys like the ergonomics of it. It's got a huge cab compared to any mid-sized machine, and comfort's a big driving factor when making equipment purchases. Is if I got to sit in this for 10-12 hours a day, am I going to be comfortable, or do I feel like an old man when I get out of it? We also have 2 Kubota skid loaders. Kubota's been a kind of a forefront for me. The overhead door compared to the swing out door is a big selling point, and again with the versatility and the feasibility and visibility. I mean, visibility is a big thing. We get into a lot of spots where you can't always see the best, or you got a lot of guys walking around you, and the Kubotas have really good visibility with limited safety concerns. Our goal is to be a safety and productivity based company. We don't want to come in with equipment that can't perform the job that we need. Komatsu's never let us down, and that's a big driving factor. It's more of a, is this machine going to start and stay running for me every day when we show up to the job? I'd much rather have that better piece of equipment than be laying on something every night working on it, trying to keep it running for the next day. And we don't have that issue out of anything Komatsu related. We also do have a 321 wheel loader, and that's been a great addition to our fleet as well. There's really nothing bad you can say about Komatsu. Just the overall dependability of it is there. It's what we need. And the dozers have been great. We actually just bought our D51 this year. We had it on rent from last year, bought the D51. And we actually have a guy in the D71. He's a die-hard cat guy, but he says, man, I love this D71. So if you're getting somebody in a cat saying they love a Komatsu, you're doing something right. Great pushability with the dozers, great performance, fuel efficiency, it's all there, it's the whole package. With Columbus Equipment, we've got great dealership support from sales, service, parts, rental, anything that we need. They're very helpful for helping a young company grow. Product support service has been great. We need parts. Parts are easy to deal with. We get them quick, we get them responsive. If we do have a service need, within a very short amount of time, we can get a service tech out to perform our needs. Just the service side of support from Columbus Equipment's great in that aspect, because we can't know it all and we can't do it all, so we need the support where we can get it. They've grown to be a great partner in business. I couldn't survive anything, life or business, without good partnerships, and Columbus Equipment's stepped into that great dealership role and fulfilled every need that we have, every question that we have. Our salesman DJ is very responsive, gets us what we need when we need it, and we have a great working relationship, and we look forward to growing it in the future.